One of the things I was really impressed by was that you told me that in Brazil you had become a Marine. Really hard to do, you'd sort of climbed the ranks, and yet when you came here you were just at the bottom of the bottom. You were a dishwasher. It was like for the first time you were making choices for yourself that were for you, rather than for the approval or respect of family or friends or society. And you told me that even though you were just washing dishes, you were far happier and more proud, and you respected yourself more in that time because you were becoming your own person and deciding who you wanted to be and where you wanted to go and where you wanted to live.